Hi, fashion designers, especially our upcoming fashion designers like me. So, these are types of necklines that we have. Some of them. The first one is keyhole neck. It is important that you should know their names, okay? And this particular one is called scallop neckline. Scallop neckline is a very beautiful neckline, okay? You can make a lot of dresses with this scallop neckline, okay? And the next is Queen Anne's neckline. This neckline is one neckline that has stand out over the edges. Okay, so many people make their dresses with this kind of neckline, no wedding dresses and all. And this is a symmetric neckline. This has been my best neckline. I don't really know why. I love asymmetric, but not the sleeveless one. But I love asymmetric. And this is off shoulder. A lot of people confuse this with strapless, but it's not strapless. I mean, this particular one is off shoulder dress. You know about it. I mean, all of us know off shoulder dress. So, and this is strapless. So you don't confuse strapless with off shoulder. Okay, this is called strapless dress. A lot of us slay queen like to wear strapless, and this is plunging. I don't know why they are confusing me, telling me that this is plunging neckline. Of course, we call it V-neck here. V-neck. And this is halter neck. I love this neckline, but because I have big arms, I don't really like wear it. I have broad shoulder and big arms, so I don't like wearing it, but I love this neckline. And this is ruffle neckline. Okay, you can use this to make a dress for your baby girl or even you. So it is beautiful. And next and the last is, okay, this is not the last though, it's square neckline, okay, square, it's called square neckline. And the next and the last is called sweetheart. A lot of us know about this, right? Of course, you should know sweetheart neckline. A lot of our designers, use these days in making corsets, padding and all other dresses. People really like that. So guys,